So one of the questions I get asked often by first-time homebuyers is, what's the best loan program for me? And the reality is your unique situation is going to be different than your peer next to you. So that's why we need that homebuyer consultation in order to determine what's the best fit for you. But at a high level, there's essentially four major loan types. There's some other ones, but the four major ones are an FHA loan. That's most commonly paired with a down payment assistance option that we referred to in a previous video, but not necessarily. It's a great loan program. It allows typically down to a 580 or above credit score with as little as a 3.5% down payment. So it's a great loan program for people with less than perfect credit. Typically, we're looking for that loan program with clients with credit scores under 700 for the most part. Now, there are some loan limits that we need to kind of be aware of depending on where you're looking to buy, but the FHA loan program is a very common loan for first-time home buyers. Conventional financing is the next most common. Conventional financing can let you get in with as little as a 3% down payment, although 5% is much more common. Typically, we look at conventional financing with credit scores over 700, and it's a wonderful loan program because the private mortgage insurance, so if you put less than 20% down, the private mortgage insurance is typically far less than it would be on FHA. So there's definitely some big advantages if you go conventional. The next loan program is USDA. That's going to be for your rural properties. The advantages is that there is no down payment requirement. There's a couple of more gotchas in that though, because the property has to qualify. It's got to be rural. And then there are some pretty specific income restrictions for the home buyer because it takes household income into account, not just the people that are on the loan. Okay, so USDA can be a little bit harder to fit in, but it's a great option because there is not a down payment requirement. And then last but not least, is my personal favorite, is the VA mortgage for active duty service members and veterans. This is my passion, frankly. I love helping military families. It's a great fit for our Shining Star Hero program as well, which basically allows us to provide some discounts to our service members. But VA is the best loan program in America. You've earned the right to use that loan program. There's not a down payment requirement on there. If you've got any kind of percent disability ranking, there is no VA funding fee. There's just so much good about a VA mortgage that I can't possibly fit it all into this one video. So if you know anyone that's a veteran or an active duty service member that could benefit from a conversation with us, please have them reach out to us as well. And then you yourself, please go to scheduleahomebuyercall.com if you have questions, because we need to have an initial consultation to determine which loan program is right for you. Go to scheduleahomebuyercall.com and look forward to chatting with you here in the near future. Thanks so much.